Every day, millions of people enjoy the rich and creamy taste of Nutella. But have you ever wondered how this famous chocolate hazelnut spread is made? Today, we're taking you inside the factory to reveal the entire process, step by step. The journey begins with carefully selected premium hazelnuts. Each batch is cleaned, inspected, and roasted at the perfect temperature to develop the rich aroma and deep flavor that make this famous chocolate spread so delicious. After roasting, the hazelnuts are finely ground into a smooth and creamy paste. This rich hazelnut base gives the spread its signature nutty flavor and perfectly silky texture loved by millions around the world. Next, the smooth hazelnut paste is blended with premium cocoa, fine sugar, creamy milk powder, and carefully selected vegetable oil. Powerful industrial mixers combine every ingredient into a rich, glossy chocolate mixture with perfect consistency. The mixture now passes through powerful refining machines that remove even the tiniest particles. This advanced process creates the incredibly smooth, silky texture that makes every spoonful rich, creamy, and perfectly enjoyable. The silky chocolate mixture is transferred into temperature-controlled holding tanks, where it is gently stirred to maintain its perfect texture. Every batch is carefully monitored to ensure consistent quality before moving to the filling stage.
Before packaging, every batch undergoes strict quality control.
Specialists carefully inspect the texture, color, consistency, and overall quality to ensure that every jar meets the highest food safety and production standards. Before filling begins, every glass jar is thoroughly cleaned and sterilized using advanced automated systems. This essential step ensures the highest level of hygiene and keeps the chocolate spread fresh and safe for consumers. Now the creamy chocolate spread is carefully dispensed into each jar using high-precision filling machines. Every container receives the exact amount, ensuring perfect consistency and premium quality in every single jar. After filling, each jar moves to the sealing station where automated machines place and secure the lids. This process protects the freshness and quality of the chocolate spread before it reaches customers around the world. Once sealed, each jar moves to the labeling station. Advanced machines apply the labels with perfect accuracy, giving every container its final identity before it continues through the packaging process. Every jar receives important production details through an automated printing system. Dates and tracking codes help the factory maintain quality control and ensure every product can be safely monitored from production to delivery. Before leaving the factory, every finished jar goes through one final inspection. Smart cameras and advanced sensors check the packaging, sealing, and quality to make sure only perfect products continue to the next stage. After passing the final inspection, the jars are ready for packaging. Automated machines carefully place the products into protective cartons, preparing them for safe storage and transportation around the world. After packaging, robotic systems carefully arrange the cartons onto pallets. These finished products are then stored in a modern warehouse, where they are organized and prepared for delivery to customers worldwide. Once prepared for shipment, the cartons leave the warehouse and are loaded onto delivery trucks. From here, the finished products begin their journey from the factory to stores and customers around the world. After leaving the factory, the products begin their global journey. Through advanced distribution networks, thousands of jars travel to stores and supermarkets, bringing the famous chocolate hazelnut spread to customers everywhere. From carefully selected hazelnuts to the final delicious jar, every step combines technology, precision, and quality. This is the fascinating journey behind the chocolate hazelnut spread, enjoyed by people around the world.